Hi there, my name is Lauren. I call myself the Nightingale of Peace. I'm releasing a song called The Nightingale of Peace, and I'd like you to join in the chorus for peace and happiness. So this is how it goes. I am not a sparrow, I am not a lamb, I am not a gentle bird that soothes you with her wings. I have got a message to a new world it brings. It's full of courage, it's full of joy, and the nightingale of peace will sing a song of courage, a song of joy, and the nightingale of peace will sing. Right, that's the Nightingale of Peace, coming out soon. Please check out myspace.com/The Nightingale of Peace and youtube.com/oeace1. Watch this space. Thank you.